everyone. Today we have actress and dancer Cherie Bautista on the show on Private Convos with Doc Rica because we're still here. Hi, Cherie!
Hello! Hi, how are you, Doc? Dapat pala ganun. Hello.
Hi.
Dapat pala ganun.
Paano?
Hello.
Hello.
Kailangan may dilang nakalabas, Doc. Hello.
Tinuturuan niya. Hello.
Parang say hello in a very sexy way. Ganun.
Ganun niyo ba ginagawa dati?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
Ganon.
para it's teasing.
Sabi mo,
Si kuya sa likod ng camera nakaganon talaga.
Dapat may dilang nakalabas. Iba yung dilang nakalabas para sa akin.
Hello. May ganun, Doc.
Ang galing. So, yun ba ang pag-uusapan natin? Let's get straight right into it.
Yes,
Anything
Doc.
about sex? Okay ka? Alam mo
Of
ba kung ano itong
course.
show na to?
I love talking about sex. Charot! MTRCB, charot! Mabuhay!
Mabuhay! But yes, so the show is about sex and relationships. And we know Cherie Bautista as that sexy woman, sexy lady. Right? So, nung nagsisimula ka, how did you parang think about yourself as a sexy actress? Parang what made you get into this?
Actually, Doc, sa totoo lang, very sexy yung mga ginagawa ko, but professionally, I was a singer. I had a band. I used to sing in different lounges here in Manila and abroad. Before I became an actress. Kasi nung naghahanap ng singer yung Viva Hot Babes, ako yung nilagay ni boss for that as a singer. I started from singing talaga. So, when I entered show business, I was parang overwhelmed. Kasi sa totoong buhay, talaga ako conservative. Although sexy ako magdamit.
Talaga?
Oo, medyo ako. Syempre, I grew up in the province, my family is, very conservative, ganyan. Dati pagka lumalabas ako ng masyadong sexy, sinasabunutan ako ng mami ko.
Talaga? Ano sinasabi sa'yo?
Yung before ako nung nagsa-start pa akong singing and then modeling. There was one time na hinila ako ng mami ko sa stage kasi masyadong sexy yung suot ko. So pagka lumalabas ako, nagpapaalam ako sa nanay ko, naka-ano ko, jacket, naka-long dress, ganyan.
Parang yung manang, yung gano'n.
Oo, tapos biglang pagdating sa sasakyan ng kaibigan ko,
Tatanggal ka na.
tanggal, naka-sleeveless, ganyan. Tapos may one time, sexy masyado yung damit ng fashion show. Hala, nag-secret yung mami ko, sinundan ako, nakita ako,
Anong suot mo?
two-piece, tapos parang net-net na,
Stockings.
hindi, net-net siya na mahabang damit, pero kita yung loob. Hinila ako ng nanay ko, so medyo conservative talaga yung, pero ngayon naintindihan na niya, when
So, when you
explained
started
it to
in
her.
showbiz.
Yes.
Kasi di ba when you started in showbiz, kung yun pa lang parang fashion show na sexy yung damit mo.
Naku, may dala akong bouncer. Kasi any moment na gumanon yung nanay ko na pasulong, yung best friend kong bouncer, yung mami, niyayakap siya. So nakikita ko yung mami ko, niyayakap ng kaibigan ko habang nagpa-fashion
Ilang taon
show.
ka nun?
12. Hindi, joke lang, Doc.
Naman.
Siyempre, malalaman mo, Doc, 20 forever.
Sige, 20 forever. Pero mga teenager ka na nun.
Yes, oo.
Teenager ka na. Nagagalit pa yung mommy mo.
Yes,
So,
kasi nga
paano nyo
conservative.
napag-usapan? Paano
Siyempre,
nyo naayos?
Yung pinakaunang-una kasi talaga na nakilala ako is because of FHM. I was a cover for a sexy magazine called FHM at that time.
Alam mo, pangarap ko rin yun eh.
Why not, Doc?
pero wala nang FHM.
It's never too late. Meron digital. Digital. So, parang din ako nagsimula. So, nung naging cover ako ng FHM, galit na galit yung nanay ko. Nung una, talagang sabi niya, ayoko yung suot mo dyan, ganyan. Tapos hindi ko sinabi sa kanya hanggang nagkaroon ako ng, syempre nag-FHM ako, naging cover ako, nagkaroon ako ng mga TV shows, naging part ako ng Viva Hot Babes, nagkaroon ako ng tour sa US. Tapos nagka-billboard ako dun na yung FHM cover. Yung naging parang nilagay niya. Sabi ng nanay ko, ibaba mo yan. Sabi ko, nakakahiya sa mga tao. Kasi syempre, di ba, parang I'm here to promote the show as FHM cover girl, Viva Hot Babe. Sabi ko, huwag ka naman maging ganyan. So, I talked to her.
Mm.
I explained it to her na, this is a business na ikabubuhay ko, alam mo yun, and this is really my dream to be an actress, to be in TV, in magazines, and then, now that natupad yung pangarap ko, I hope na bigyan mo ako ng chance kasi I will make sure naman that, I will still be respectable, na hindi yung parang, di ko naman gagawin na I'm already doing this sexy, work. And then, papakita ko sa mga tao, ganun yung gagawin ko, kung sino-sino yung, 'di ba? So, I made sure to protect also my dignity, myself, yung hindi ka basta-basta na, 'di ba, lumalabas, nakikipag ano-ano dyan sa tabi-tabi. So, I made sure naman din, and I proved it to my mom na I'll do it that way. Until now.
Congratulations! Kaya parang naging okay siya.
Yes.
Naging okay siyang nakikita ka naka-swimsuit sa mga
Oo.
billboards.
So, okay na siya. Naintindihan na niya yung type of job na ginagawa ko. Kasi pinapakita ko din naman sa kanya that I'm a good girl naman. Kahit na I'm a good girl stuck in the bad girl's body. Charot!
I don't think that there's anything bad about, yung nagsiswimsuit ka or
Yeah,
nagpapasexy ka.
Especially
Wala
now.
wala namang mali doon. It's just you embracing your body,
Yes.
diba? And confident ka,
Yes,
diba?
and embracing your sensuality.
Yeah, speaking of sensuality and being a good girl, let's talk about sex. Again. How did you learn about sex?
Well, sa totoo lang, Doc, when I had my first boyfriend, sabi niya sa akin, hindi daw ako magaling.
Ay, magaling umano.
Tapos nag-cheat siya, Doc. Sa lahat ng bagay. Sabi, hindi daw ako magaling. Alam mo, na-challenge ako, Doc. I started reading books. Tapos yung mga friends kong bading, kinontak ko lahat. And hindi daw ako magaling doon sa bagay na yun. Sabi ng mga kaibigan ko, sige, every Saturday, nagkaroon kami ng
workshop.
Eh, yung friend ko nasa US siya, nagtatrabaho. Sabi niya sa akin, basta mamayang gabi, pag weekend, mag-uusap tayong dalawa, kumuha ka ng saging. Ganun siya. Ay, tinuruan ako, Doc. So, I had my
magbalat ng saging.
I had my BJ 101 class.
Oh, nice.
With him.
Nice.
Thanks, Floro. And then, yung mga friends ko na shinare nila sa akin yung mga secrets. And then, I started reading books. And there is this book na naging favorite ko. It's entitled How to Tickle His Pickle. It's written by Sadie Allison. I think it's Sadie Allison, yeah. So, she wrote that book and I started reading it. And then, I learned a lot from that.
Ano yung mga natutunan mo? Kwento mo naman sa amin.
I learned to explore the human body and the land down under. Charot! The land down under.
Ano yung mga, sige, mag-start tayo
si
dun
Kuya talaga nagtatakip ng mukha.
Doon sa BJ 101 na every weekend. Ano yung mga tips sa paghawak ng saging at pagbalat ng saging?
Sige, paghawak lang. I'll just give a little tip. Not too tight.
Not too tight.
Not too loose.
Not too loose. So, yung sakto lang.
Si Kuya nakikinig. Sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
And then, no teeth.
No teeth. So, paano yung no teeth? Anong kailangan mong gawin?
Si Kuya namumula sa likod ng camera. Nakikita ko. Wala, lang. Just be gentle. Tama ba, Kuya? From a guy's perspective talaga tinatanong nila. No, and based on my experience, parang no teeth, be gentle. Parang just how you want to be caressed.
Oo.
It's the same thing.
Hindi dapat,
Yeah.
Hindi dapat yung bargas.
Yes. That's why pag merong rough sa akin, I always tell them, if you're rough with me, if I'll do it the same thing sa'yo, how would you feel? So it's the same thing, di ba?
So you treat them with gentleness.
Yes,
Ganyan.
gentleness. But syempre, you have to use your sensuality, your femininity, your body.
So, na-challenge ka nung sinabihan ka ng first boyfriend mo na hindi ka magaling.
Oo.
Kaya, natuto ka at ginalingan mo.
Yes! Talaga, nag-lesson talaga ako, Doc, ganon. So, kaya nga natutuwa ako to meet you because you're
I'm a sex
sex
therapist.
therapist. And
Yes.
we all need that. Kasi syempre,
Mhm.
tayong mga babae sometimes we're, not naman not allowed, no? But
Mhm.
sometimes hindi tayo binibigyan ng chance na maging vocal about it. And
Oo.
halos, di ba lalo
Nagbaban
sa
nga tayo
Philippines? Oo, parang minsan, parang pag magsasalita ka ng bastos, lahat sila, ang bastos naman ito.
Oo.
Pero syempre, if you're just expressing yourself, I mean, like for me, it's okay kasi you'll learn from it. Apparently, ang daming mga babae, especially in the Philippines, na parang hindi nila kayang maging vocal about talking about sex. And for me, like, since I do pole dancing and I meet a lot of people, I meet a lot of women na, kaya nagustuhan ko din yung sport na to kasi there are a lot of ladies na sa una, yung makikita mo sa unang class, yung shorts hanggang dito, yung
Yung mahaba pa.
mahaba, hanggang
yung cycling
sa
shorts
paiksi ng
pang-bike.
paiksi, hanggang nakatibak na lang. So, Doc, meron akong parang ginawa ko tong Tite Tuesday, I call it. So, every Tuesday, every Tuesday, I have a class. Yung class na yun, nagtitibak na every Tuesday.
Nakatibak lahat.
Nakatibak. So, pagka nandun ako, pag may pumapasok, ay, ba't di ka nakatibak?
So, kailangan
then,
nakatibak lahat ng nandun.
Yes. And then, I also like to run. So, sometimes, they would, like, yung kasama ko, I buy Turon, and then we share Turon in the class. So, that's why it's Tite Tuesday.
Tibak and Turon.
Tibak and Turon.
Titi.
Yes. Titi Tuesday.
Iniisip ko di ba pole dancing, tapos nakatibak ka. Yung harap nun, syempre gumaganon din dun sa vulva.
Hindi
no?
naman.
Sa
Meron namang tibak na yung medyo makapal sa gitna.
harap.
Oo, tapos yung sa
Kasi
likod
di ba
lang.
pole
medyo
dancing,
sexy.
bubuka ka talaga. Ganun, bumuka ka ako.
Oo, ganun.
Bubuka ka talaga. So, pati yung parang mahahanginan lahat ng butas.
Doc, merong net stockings that you can wear on top of the tibak para it's protected. So, kahit na mag-hello. Tsaka sa when we're doing pole, we tape it. So, there's a tape that you
Siyempre,
can
ako
buy.
nag-iisip.
There's a tape that you can buy in store, yung mga underwear, lingerie store. Meron silang tape ngayon yung ginagamit sa nipples. So, they use it now for, like, we actually use it for especially like for films. Yung, kasi
I was
diba
just about to ask that.
when you're filming a movie, when we're filming sexy movies, which I already like stop muna for now. Pahinga muna.
For now.
Yeah, so yun ang ginagamit to protect our
I want to talk about that kasi I want to learn
Yeah.
more about that Yung parang ano ba yung nangyayari when you film sexy movies? Kasi sometimes these sexy movies, they're realistic, no?
Yes. No, especially now. Kaya, pero sa panahon naman namin, when we're doing it, it's really just work talaga. So, actually, Doc, I only did, I think, 6 films na sobrang sexy. And I just decided that I don't want to do it again because my son is already growing up and he's complaining. He doesn't like it anymore.
What does he say?
He told me, Mom, you better stop doing what you're doing. And I totally understand because
course.
even before he told me to stop, I already asked boss na medyo pahinga na muna ako. I mean, I have to stop it na muna and concentrate back sa music ko and with the live performances. Kasi yun naman talaga ang first love ko eh. But anyway, yeah, what's going on in the shooting is that we all wear tape. So when syempre pagka umaarte ka, for you to be convincing, you have to feel like you're really in that, diba? In that scene. So syempre, it's part of acting at the same time.
Tinitape para hindi magkiskisan.
Yes, both actually.
Oo.
So we tape the guys, we tape the girls also.
So what if they get an erection? Do they get an erection? This is a serious question.
Well, may isa na nagkaroon. But before ako nagsushoot, I always make it a point to talk to my leading partner. I always tell them, I'm here to work. I'm not here to do mga hanky-panky things. Kasi minsan may ganun yung parang, kunyari.
Yung tinutuloy na after
Oo,
the
yung
show.
parang minsan parang, Sherry, anong trip mo? Yung mga nagtatanong ng ganon. So parang to set the record straight before we film a movie, I always make it a point to talk to them. Sinasabi ko, hinahanap ko talaga, sino ba yung leading man ko? Tapos, si ganito. Can I talk to you? Kinakausap ko talaga na, alam mo, we're here and siguro normal lang yun that sometimes we
feel something.
we feel
of
something
course.
for each other.
Oo.
But I just want you to know na I'm here to work professionally. And I don't want to, alam mo yun, parang I don't want you to feel like I'm flirting. Because of course, I have to connect with you. I have to be comfortable with you so I can act and I can do the scene properly. So, kinakaibigan ko sila and I really tell them na hindi ako, kasi sometimes, pag nagtatanong, manahang, may mga ganon.
What you doing later, ganyan.
What you doing later, let's hang. Okay lang naman yun, pero alam mo yung parang flirting na may mangyayari. I mean like, the company is paying us to act and to make it sure na maganda yung magiging film natin. And we're not here to like do hanky-panky things. So, ganun. So, I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So, kinakausap ko sila.
And I'm sure they should understand.
Yeah.
Right? Kasi that's you setting your boundary.
Yes, oo. Kasi syempre, I have to make sure na protected din ako.
Oo
diba?
naman.
I mean like, I don't know, just for me lang, when I'm working, I would want professional na trabaho. Hindi yung parang may halong kalokohan.
At saka ang magpoprotekta lang naman sa sarili natin, of course, the first and foremost, tayo dapat.
Yes, that's true.
Diba? And when they see that we're protecting ourselves, susunod na yung iba. They will protect you too and respect you.
That's
and
true.
not even try anything.
Yeah.
I think that's very important, especially in this industry.
Yes, in this industry. At saka lugi tayo mga babae eh. Pagdating sa ganun, di ba?
Paano tayo lugi?
I mean, lugi tayo in a way na tayo yung mabubuntis, tayo yung, and I'm
tayo
very...
rin yung ginajudge.
Yeah, tayo yung ginajudge. Okay lang naman ako pakialam pag ginajudge nila ako, but like, to be honest, like, tayo talaga yung lugi. Kasi syempre, tayo yung mabubuntis.
Tayo mawawala ng trabaho.
Tayo yung magkakasakit. Alam mo yun, very careful ako when it comes to those things. I'm very open about sex. I'm very open about talking about anything under the sun. But I always make sure na I'm protected.
Dapat.
For myself.
Dapat. You said you have a son.
Yes.
May I know how old is he?
He's 15 years old.
Oh, wow! So,
Yeah.
binata na.
Binata na. So, naiintindihan na niya yung
Of course.
concept of life.
Yes.
And he's very smart.
Have you ever had a talk with him?
Yes. Kasi actually nung una, syempre I'm a single mom. So, yung anak ko lalaki, na-shock ako nung una, yung parang yung nahuli ko.
Ilang taon siya doon?
Oh my God. Alam mo yung parang anong gagawin ko? Stressed ako. So, parang yung natataranta ako. Tapos, sabi ko sa sarili ko, if kaya kong i-handle to as a girl, kaya kong i-handle to. So, I had to talk to him about, when you're doing things like this, you have to make sure.
So, nahuli mo siya nagmamasturbate.
So you have to make sure that you're in a private place.
Yes.
Hindi yung parang basta-basta na lang kung saan-saan you're touching yourself. Ganun. Kasi what if ako din makita mo akong ganun? Diba? You won't like it. So parang sabi niya, natuto naman siya. So, kumbaga parang at least at a young age, alam na niya how to deal with it.
Dapat naman.
Yeah, I think he was 7 years old. And then sabi ko, you have to make sure that nobody is touching your body. It's just you. Kahit sino. Except for mama. So,
diba,
ginaganon ko siya.
paghuhugasan, ganyan.
Oo. So, kumbaga educate them early.
And I think, yun naman talaga yung point ng show. It's really to educate people.
Yes.
Not just parents, but also the children.
Yes.
And to empower parents, give them tools on what to say.
Yeah, especially parents like us, like I'm like single moms, and then nung una talaga I was really like lost. Sabi ko talaga,
how did that happen? Can you talk about that? Being a single mom.
Well, 5 years old naghiwalay kami ng ex ko.
5 years old yung anak mo.
Yung anak ko 5 years old siya when we broke up.
What happened? What made you break up?
Parang
chismosa lang ako.
naman. Forgiven naman. But I found out that he was seeing someone. Because our work is very prone to temptation. He's also an actor. And yun na lang yung iniisip ko na parang, you know what, it's really impossible for this kind of job to... Meron namang mga loyal na hindi natitempt. But syempre, for a guy, if nandun ka sa industriya na to, you get to kiss other
A lot
women.
of, yes,
Ang gaganda
yes.
ng mga babae, sexy. So, there's really a big possibility na temptation is very, close to this kind of job. So, I have to understand. And at that time, syempre, nung baby pa yung son ko, hindi maganda yung naging breakup namin. Kasi, syempre, parang it was hurtful, it was
Of
painful.
course.
But, right now naman, I learned to forgive and, co-parent with him. So, we have a very good relationship as parents, including, like, his side of his, he's got a new relationship. And I'm thankful na I get along with his partner also. So, okay naman. Naging okay naman yung paghihiwalay namin and being co-parents to our son. So, medyo nakaka-stress lang yung mga bagay na pag lumalaki yung son mo. Tapos, syempre ngayon, parang it's easy na lang for me to tell him, hoy, anak mo ha, yung pagsabihan mo. Kasi syempre, hindi ko kayang sabihin sa kanya when it comes to the
body.
male's body.
Yes.
Kasi, so parang naintindihan ko na rin naman as I, as I age. And, naintindihan ko na life will never be perfect. And, guys will be guys. Men will be men. So, ako, I have to stick to what I know. I have to be a strong woman. So, alam mo yun, inalam ko yung mga bagay-bagay na kung saan magiging okay ako and pag iniwan ako or pag nagkaroon ako ng bagong partner, how to deal with it. So, now I know how to deal with life than before.
Parang devastated ka talaga just
Oo
listening to you.
naman.
Parang devastated ka talaga
At that
nung
time,
nangyari yun,
yeah,
no?
of course. It was
Oo.
devastating. But wala hindi mo talaga makokontrol yung buhay. It's really,
Baka ibang tao.
yeah.
O na hindi mo kasalanan kung ano yung ginawa nila.
Yeah.
Diba?
Well, wala It's, maybe that's bound to happen or
It happened.
it
Baka
happened.
it's more of like it happened.
Yeah, so
Oo.
it happened. So I have to move on and just to make sure na to
How
take
did
care
you
of
move
myself.
forward?
I channeled my loneliness and kasi parang at that time, syempre first time ko yun and I was really like thinking na eto na yun, parang eto na yung makakatuluyan ko. But hindi. And then, ano bang nangyari sa akin? Actually, parang nagkaroon ako ng wake-up call. Kasi parang when you're broken-hearted, gusto mo, syempre when you're young, I was super young at that time. I was lost and then yung nagkaroon ako ng friends in clubs and you know how it is when you go out. Inom, kung ano-anong nakikita mo. And I had a very good wake-up call. Not good, but in a bad way. I learned the bad way. Parang I was drugged.
Oh my gosh.
Nang hindi ko alam na nilagyan yung drinks ko ng
Oh no.
ng something. I woke up one day, I woke up one night in my bed. Tumayo ako, nag-CR ako, tapos nag-flush pa ako ng toilet, nag-off ako ng ilaw. Pagbalik ko sa bed, I saw myself dead. Like nakahigang ganun. Nakita ko talaga, tapos tinignan ko yung kamay ko, parang lumulusot yung paningin ko. Sabi ko talaga, Lord, bigyan mo ako ng panibagong chance. Sabi ko, ibalik mo ako dito sa katawan ko, please. Sabi ko talaga, I will make sure na to fix my life. And then, syempre, nung time na yun, yung baby ko nasa lolo't lola niya. Kasi I was really lost And, nung nangyari sa akin yun, syempre, humiga ako. Yun ang naalala ko talaga As in, humiga ako sa katawan ko. Sabi ko, please give me another chance. Sabi ko talaga, I will fix it. Alam mo, nung nangyari sa akin yun, nagising ako, sabi ko talaga, you know what? Why am I doing this? Why am I going out, getting drunk every night, doing a lot of crazy things? Why not channel it to another, parang thing na makaka-okay sa akin? While I still had the chance, I approached, kasi at that time, I know Marcus Davis is a really famous siya, writer and record producer. So he produced a lot of music from Billy Crawford, JR, yung mga magagaling. And at that time, I used to go out in clubs nga kasi parang kabataan days. Sabi ko, why not make a track, like a song that can help me with,
What
deal
you're
with my
going through.
heartbreak, what
Oo,
I'm going
oo.
through. So, yun ang ginawa ko. Nag-record ako ng song since I'm a singer. I went to the studio, I recorded, and nilapitan ko talaga si Marcos Davis. Sabi ko, Marcos, I know you don't know me, but I need your help. Sabi ko sa kanya, I need your help. Sabi ko sa kanya, and I really wanna work with you because I know that you're a very good record producer. So, kaya namin nabuo yung club music, which they can listen to it in Spotify. It's entitled Lesson Learned.
So it was part
lesson
of your
learned.
healing.
Yes.
What's the lesson learned?
Well, when you're playing with fire, you're bound to get burned.
Yes.
Yun yung mga lyrics. And then like, ano pa ba? I had a song called Forget About You. Kasi yun nga yung ano eh. I'ma go out in the club tonight, find someone who can love me right. Ganyan yung mga lyrics ng mga ano. So, instead na you'll go out and do something bad, why not go to the studio and channel all your
And
heartbreaks?
do something productive.
Do something productive.
Something that can help.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, yun yung ginawa ko. I did a lot of songs, music with Marcos Davis.
Buti nag-wake up ka talaga nun.
Ay, grabe. That was like a really, wake-up call for me na parang, then, kung hindi ako nakabalik dun sa buhay
Katawan
ko,
mo.
sa katawan ko, anong nangyari sa akin? So, I don't know what happened, but I think bago pa masira yung buhay ko, parang inayos na kaagad. Ganun siya. So, parang I learned to deal with heartbreaks and parang pag nagkakaroon ako ng broken heart, alam ko na yung gagawin ko. Kaysa naman mamatay ka, di ba?
Oo naman. O kaysa ipahamak mo yung sarili mo.
Oo, kaysa naman mamatay ka.
So, nakipag-date ka na after nun?
Yeah, like I go out and pinipili ko na yung, well, hindi naman perfect. Walang perfect. Lagi namang, marami ako naging heartbreaks pa rin after that. But I learned to deal with it in a way na it won't
Hurt
me in a way na sobrang bad talaga.
Na ipapahamak mo
ko yung
sarili
sarili ko. So, parang nagkaroon ako ng wake-up call na mas maaayos ko yung life ko in a way.
And you did.
Yeah.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Ang gusto kong pag-usapan, kasi that was your emotional playing process.
Yes.
No? How about the whole sexual process?
Sexual process?
Having sex again with someone else after having like your heart broken.
Alam mo, pagdating naman kasi sa ganun talaga, I mean, like, if I have sex with someone, I have to make sure that I have feelings, that I like this person. Like, some people may think na parang, easy yan kasi she's very vocal about things like this.
Ganun naman sila mag-judge.
Yeah, but you know what, to be honest, ang hirap kong ligawan ha. Hindi ako basta-basta.
Paano ka nililigawan?
Hindi ako basta-basta nakikipag-sex sa kahit sino.
Paano ka
I
dapat
don't
ligawan?
just go out. 'Di ba minsan yung iba parang Tinder, Bumble. I don't judge them. But it's just for me lang. Like for me.
Hindi ganun yung proseso
Hindi ganun
sa'yo.
yung process sa akin. Like if I have sex with someone, I have to make sure that I'm attracted to this person and I like this person and I know him as a person, what he likes, anong favorite color niya, anong favorite drinks niya.
So parang meron na kayong
paano siya paglasing.
closeness.
Yes,
Oo,
kasi
may intimacy na kayo.
hindi ko kayang basta-bastang makipag-sex tapos maririnig ko siyang parang sarap mo ganun magsalita. Sorry but I mean,
sige.
you can bleep it if you want, but I mean like meron akong na-encounter na ganun at one point, nawalan talaga ako ng gana.
Ayaw mo nung ganun.
Ayoko talaga.
Ng dirty talk.
Ayoko yung, okay sa akin yung dirty talk, pero wag naman yung parang binababoy yung pagkatao mo. Yung gusto ko yung, I'm the type of person that I like to have sex with someone that I'm attracted to and I want it passionate.
What is that? No?
Sometimes I like it wild, but not something na parang
nababastos
parang
ka na.
pokpok yung dating mo. Yung parang ganun, yung parang kang binababoy. I don't like
Hindi
it.
yan yung gusto mo. Kasi
Hindi.
meron namang mga babae na yun yung gusto nila.
Yeah.
But in a very respectful way.
Yes.
Diba? Mas
Gusto ko yung passionate.
love-making.
Yes.
Mas romansa.
Yes.
So,
Oo.
paano ka liligawan? Sige, pakikwento nga
Ano
sa
ba ako
amin.
liligawan? Mahirap
Oo.
ako. Well, to be honest, siguro gusto ko yung gift giving. I like it when I feel like I'm special. I like it when the person is making me feel important. Yung, kunyari, papadala ako ng pagkain sa bahay.
Ano favorite na pagkain pinapadala sa'yo?
Ang dami. Mahilig ako sa crispy pata, kare-kare.
Tatanungin ko sana, yung mga pagkain na ba yun, pag kinain mo, na-arouse ka? Parang crispy pata.
Well, yeah. I love oysters.
Oh,
Nakakainit
okay.
ng katawan. I like durian.
Mabango yun. Mabango.
I like durian. I like, ano pa ba? I like it. Yung pinapadala ako ng food sa bahay, flowers, hopeless romantic, di ba?
Talagang ligaw yung gusto mo.
Yeah, naaano ko, parang ganun, na-overwhelm ako pagka, not naman overwhelm, but I feel, I like it.
Ka. Nakikiliti yung pagkababae mo.
Yes.
Parang ganyan.
Oo, parang I wanna feel like I'm a girl. Ganun. Ganyan.
And then, paano kung kunyari, sige, close na kayo, di ba? Alam mo na kung ano yung kinakain niya, alam mo na kung paano siya humilik, ganyan.
Yeah.
So, kung magsa-sex na kayo, ano yung gusto mong ginagawa sa'yo? But,
Gusto ko ng matagal na foreplay. Gusto ko yung ganun. Kasi parang ayoko yung pagkakita sa'yo, parang ganun na kaagad. Parang ayoko ng ganun. Gusto ko yung may conversation. Tsaka I like someone na nakakapag-converse ako. I like smart people. I like talking. Madaldal ako eh. So I like yung mag-uusap muna, yung malalaman ko muna kung ano yung fantasies niya, ano yung mga gusto niya.
So pinag-uusapan niya yun?
Yeah, gusto ko yun. Tsaka gusto ko rin yung vocal din siya about anong gusto niya, paano siya na-arouse, yung mga ganun. I like knowing how to please my partner. Ganon.
Ikaw, paano ka na-arouse? Kasi conversation pa lang yan eh. So sa conversation, na-arouse ka.
Ano rin naman
Is
ako?
there something that you want to be done?
I also have kinky, I also have like yung mga fantasies na ganun.
I wanna know.
I like it din na medyo rough ng konti, pero huwag naman baboy. I like rough. A
Okay,
little rough.
Yung foreplay, di ba, conversation, ano yung gusto mong ginagawa sa'yo pag foreplay?
Siguro yung basta wag yung baboy.
Ano ba yung
Kasi, Doc, meron na one time, Doc. Alam mo yung parang na-turn off talaga ako. Tapos sabi ko na lang talaga, can we be friends?
Bakit ka na-turn off? Anong ginawa
Kasi
sa'yo?
parang sabi sa akin, sarap mo. Sabi ko talaga, alam mo yung, kasi talagang, ayoko talaga. Sabi ko parang, is there any other better word for you to say? Instead of saying that?
Instead of that, ano yung mas gusto
Siguro
mong
parang mas
naririnig?
gusto ko yung
Mga oh my God, ganyan.
yung mga, you're beautiful, you
feel so good.
I feel good about, alam mo yun, yung mga good, pero wag naman yung parang, alam mo yun, yung parang ang baboy ng treatment sa'yo, yung parang, ganon, yung okay lang yung babaliktarin ka or okay lang yung ganon pero yung bababuyin ka talaga.
Yung parang ang treatment sa'yo ay object. Yun yung ayaw mo.
Yung parang object. Oo, parang ako lang yung pwedeng mag-treat sa'yo ng baliktad na, no?
So,
parang ganon.
Yun yung ayaw mo. Pero ano naman yung gusto mo? If we're gonna talk about the most pleasurable experience for you.
Actually, gusto ko yung binubulungan ako sa ears. Parang yun yung weakness ko. Yung ears ko talaga. I like hearing, siguro yun yung love language ko. Parang I like yung words of affirmation. I like hearing that. I like gifts. I like service.
Yung sisilbihan ka talaga.
Oo, kasi ganun din ako eh. Kumbaga, I like it din na pinagsisilbihan ko din yung partner ko. So, gusto ko din yung both
parang
ways.
nagsishare kayo. Parang dalawa
ganun.
kayo nagsisilbi sa isa't isa.
Oo, parang kung susubuan kita, yung gano'n, plus romantic talaga. No?
In bed, ano yung mga service na ginagawa mo?
Lahat. Ano bang gusto mo? Do you want me to spit or swallow? I can do both.
So,
Ganon.
nagtatanong ka talaga?
Yeah. Or inaalam ko. Like, syempre, kaya nga I like having conversation. First, parang kapag attracted ako sa isang tao, ayoko yung parang sex type agad, yung ganun. I want to know you as a person. I want to know what you like. I want to know how I can serve you. I want to know how I can please you. And at the same time, I want you to know how you can please me. Kasi, what's the point of having sex if we're not gonna enjoy
That's
Diba?
true.
I
That's
mean, like,
true.
I want to enjoy. If I'm gonna have sex with you, I want to enjoy sex with you.
Mhm.
Like, if, ayoko yung parang sex lang tayo, ganun.
I think yun yung napaka-importante na sabihin natin sa mga viewers natin. No?
Yes.
Especially when you're having sex with someone else, someone new.
Yeah.
Kasi minsan iniisip nila na, yan na. Parang gusto nila yung romantic in a sense na parang spontaneous, yung hindi pinag-uusapan.
Yeah.
Pero napaka-importante talagang pag-usapan
Sa
siya.
akin, important.
Oo.
I mean, minsan nga pag lumalabas, di ba, parang,
Mm.
kilala mo naman ako dyan kay Shiri, parang ano. Tapos akala ka agad na parang sasama ka kaagad pa uwi, ganun. No.
Hindi.
Tapos magugulat na lang sila na pag nakikilala nila ako. Parang, ang hirap naman ligawan ni Sheri, ganun.
Hindi mahirap. Alam mo lang
Kasi
talaga
parang,
kung anong gusto mo.
alam ko kung anong gusto ko eh.
Oo.
Ayoko yung parang iisipin mo na bababuyin mo ko
Oo.
agad.
And yan,
Parang,
yun din yung kailangan natin ituro sa mga,
Yeah.
mga kabataan,
Yeah.
the teenagers. One of the things that I tell them, nang nagtuturo pa ako in college, tinatanong nila, kailan ba dapat ako makipag-sex? Kasi ang sinasabi ko sa kanila, wala sa edad yan. Pero
Yeah.
dapat alam mo kung ano yung the risks, di ba?
Mhm.
You're informed, you're responsible, you have a son who's 15 years old, and then, pag may partner ka na, kailangan kaya niyong pag-usapan.
yes, oo.
Hindi yung bigla na lang
Oo.
mangyayari.
Actually, Doc,
Mhm.
minsan naman, meron naman yung makikilala mo, tapos instantly nagkaroon kayo ng attraction, di ba? But yun nga, siguro sa akin lang, even if attracted ako sa isang tao, hindi pa rin ako yung parang makikipag-sex ka agad. Parang mas gusto ko pa rin yung makilala ko siya. Kasi marami ka namang makikitang pogi or attracted ka. Madami naman yan eh.
Mhm.
But yung sa akin kasi, oh my God, paano pag important sa akin na malaman ko na hindi ako magkakasakit pag
Yes. Dapat naman
Kasi parang-
talaga.
parang
Oo.
pinalaki ako na conservative yung family namin. Alam mo yung naririnig ko sa tenga ko yung parang mag-ingat ka ha kasi ang dami may sakit, may AIDS, yung ganun.
Mhm.
And then also, ang dami kong kaibigan din na na-experience ko na who got sick. Alam mo yun,
Mhm.
na nakita ko talaga from my own eye kung ano yung nangyayari sa kanila. I mean like from a very young age, nakita ko sa ibang tao
Kung ano yung mga consequences.
kung ano yung mga consequences
Oo.
nung meron akong na-witness na nagkasakit siya. I mean,
Mhm.
ito yung hindi ko pa
Noon
na-experience
pa,
yun ha. Nagkasakit siya tapos we had to go to the hospital. And then nagkaroon siya ng something parang sa sa vajayjay niya.
Mhm.
Parang nagkaroon siya ng hindi magandang smell, ganyan.
Mhm.
Tapos nakita ko yung hirap niya. As in yun talagang from my own experience na nakita ko talaga, oh my God.
Ayaw mong mangyari sa'yo.
Ayoko mangyari sa akin to.
Oo.
So bakit? Alam mo yun, so parang apparently meron siyang different partners. Nagkaroon
So,
siya ng-
nagkasakit
So
nga
parang
siya.
yun, natatak sa utak ko yun na parang, deng. Alam mo yun, parang
Oo.
ayoko mangyari sa akin to. So kapag pala nakikipag-sex ka sa marami, magkakaroon ka pala ng ganito. So
Mhm.
parang yun yung mga natatak sa isip ko.
Mhm.
Kaya siguro that's also why I'm thankful din ako dun sa person na yun, although hindi ako thankful kasi dahil
Na
sa kanya,
nangyari sa kanya.
nangyari sa kanya
Oo.
yun. But because
may
of that,
natutunan ka.
may natutunan ako.
natutunan
And
ko.
sinasabi niya din talaga sa akin, wag mo akong gagayahin ha.
Oo.
I mean like, she became a good teacher sa
Mhm.
akin. Kasi,
Yun, parang yun din
Oo,
yung, kaya
so-
importante yung pinag-uusapan itong mga,
Maingat
yung,
ako.
the experiences. Kasi
oo.
kung hindi natin pinag-usapan yung sexual experience mo, hindi
Yes.
natin mas masasabi sa kanila na,
Yes.
kailangan yung mag-ingat. Kasi ito yung
Oo.
mga nangyayari kapag
Yeah.
hindi ka nag-iingat,
Mm-mm.
diba? Very,
So,
very
yun yung sa akin.
quickly. Sige. Kasi to parang with the relationship, diba? Very quickly, ikaw ba ay, sabi mo sa akin kanina, meron kang collection of toys.
Yes.
Meron kang, ano yung favorite toy mo?
Ako, yung bullet.
Yung
Actually,
maliit lang.
Yung mga friends ko, yung mga hot babes, alam nila yun eh. Minsan pagka magkasama kami, yun, pinagre-regalo ko sa kanila, yung mga conservative. O eto, tas niloloko ko sila pag traffic, gamitin mo yan
Pwede.
para hindi ka bored.
Diba? So, parang on the go, yung bullet. Orgasm on the go.
Oo, di ba? On the go, like
Oo.
wherever you want to go. And ako kahit single ako, I'm okay. Parang
Mhm.
kumbaga, I don't sleep around.
So, parang you
Because
get
I know how to
pleasure.
please myself.
Yes. I think yun,
So,
yung importante
yes.
rin eh. Parang
Oo.
knowing your body and knowing how to please
Exactly. Kasi
yourself.
we're only human, sometimes we get,
It's not just sometimes all the time.
Yeah, sometimes all the time.
Right? And
In
it's
the
our
traffic,
right.
in the
Actually, sexual right
si kuya
natin.
natatawa.
Totoo naman, di ba? Minsan haraos ka sa traffic pag bored ka.
Pag bored ka minsan, parang, Ang init ng katawan ko.
Pero,
Saglit lang.
diba,
May ganun talaga, no?
Yes! Parang seriously though, what I want to say is that it's our sexual right. Bilang mga
Yeah.
babae, at lalaki, pero bilang mga babae, hindi natin pag-uusapan yon
Mhm.
na we have the right to please ourselves and to
Yeah.
feel pleasure.
Yeah.
And I think that's very important, to know yourself, to openly talk about it, to
Yes.
gift your friends
Yes.
with bullet vibrators. Meron ganun sa Unprude.
Naging
So,
friend ko na nga, naging close ko na nga si, yung may-ari ng Pleasure Place. Si Leonor.
Yeah!
Kasi I learned from her.
Yes. So we advocate that. It's really advocating for pleasure, not just for yourself, but also other
Yes.
people.
Oo.
So right now, I put out the Unprude conversation cards. I'm going to
Yeah.
ask you 3 questions very, very quickly.
Okay.
And you just need to answer it top of your head. Okay?
Sure.
First question is, my first time trying a toy was,
Shucks, my first time. Kailan ba? Oh, when I had a boyfriend. Siya yung actually nagpatry sa akin nun. My first boyfriend.
oh wow,
Yeah,
open yung boyfriend mo. Iba yun kasi madami sa mga lalaki ngayon na ayaw nila ng toys, nakakasira daw ng pagkalalaki nila. Parang bakit pa daw
Actually, you
kailangan ng
can
toys?
use it both of you na you will
Right?
enjoy.
Yeah. So, see? You can
Actually,
use it.
there's a toy that both of you can enjoy.
Yes.
Not just the girl.
Parang it's a tulip
Yes.
for both your pleasure.
Yeah. Yes.
Next, the wildest place I ever had sex was?
Saan ba ang wildest place
Mhm.
I ever had sex? Teka lang, isipin ko muna. Ang dami Charot!
Pinaka-wild.
Well, wala pa. In the room. Well, in the office of my
Kanina, huwag mo na sabihin ko kanina office.
of my ex. Actually, sa office ng tatay niya. Sorry. Sa table ng tatay niya. Niya alam.
Hindi sa
Ay, sorry.
Sa office
Dami
of
mong
my
tawa.
ex. So,
Sa office ng ex
sa
ko.
table.
Sa table ng
Tinanggal
tatay
mo
niya.
lahat. Ginanon mo. Ginanon mo lahat.
Oo, kasi wala doon na abutan So, alam mo yon.
Ito, last na. A celebrity who I think would be good in bed. Kahit hindi dito. Para hindi tayo machismis.
A celebrity who I think would be good in bed. Foreigner?
Kahit ano.
Sino? Oh, Brad Pitt.
Siya talaga. Siya yung naisip mo.
Yeah, parang siya. Parang pag nakikita ko siya, parang,
Kahit
parang
na,
gusto,
hanggang ngayon.
parang-
Ano gusto mo gawin sa
Or di
kanya?
kaya yung ex ni Miley Cyrus, parang feeling ko yun.
Sino ba yung ex ni Miley Cyrus? Chris Hemsworth?
Si Liam.
Liam. Naku naman, di ko alam.
Feeling ko parang ihahagis-hagis ka niya sa pader.
Ay, guess mo yan.
Or si Aquaman.
Hinahagis-hagis ka.
Well, gusto ko yun. Well, gusto ko yun.
And, meron pa.
Talaga yung mga audience natin nagre-react talaga.
Hello! And, meron ka pa bang pantasya sa sexual fantasy?
Alam mo, yun ang sinasabi ko lagi sa meron ako naging ex before and then we ride the plane, di ba, sa business class. Niloloko ko, maybe we can have sex. Here in the
Pwede.
business class. Pero takot
Pwede,
sila.
pero
Ayaw nilang
cabin-
lumaban sa akin pagdating sa ganun.
Baka sa first class, kasi mas malaki yung first class eh. Mas
Tsaka
kama siya.
Nasasara yata yung...
Oo.
Maghahanap muna tayo ng bibili ng first class ticket. Hello?
Bakit hindi?
Calling who can afford first class.
Dito na po, mananawagan na po kami. Ito yung camera mo.
Wala pa naman ako naging boyfriend na first class.
But that's a
Business class pa
fantasy. Malay mo, diba? That's a
fantasy.
Yan.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Alam ko, meron kang, ito hindi to fantasy, ito ay mangyayari talaga.
Yes. Oh yeah, this is my show.
Mhm.
It's entitled The Art Disherie.
Ang hot naman nun.
It's on May 24 at the Music Museum, 8 p.m. It's entitled The Art Disherie. So they will be seeing me pole dance, aerial hoop, aerial hammock while singing.
Oh my gosh, live singing ito, girl.
Yes. So this is the first time na nagkaroon tayo ng ganitong show dito sa Philippines. And I was actually inspired by the show that I watched in Paris.
Mhm.
So I thought to myself, sabi ko, this is what I can do.
I'll hold it for you.
Sabi ko, I can do it.
Mhm.
And then, so I'm bringing it to the Philippines, of course, for our Filipino market, audience.
Aw.
Siyempre,
And-
pwede pa rin yung mga 18 and above na
18 and
kids.
above,
But
of
wala
course.
naman siyang something hubad. Wala naman siyang
Oo.
ganun. It's really an art for me.
It's you going
like-
back to what you wanted to do. The
Yes.
singing, the being an
Yes.
artist.
Yes.
Nice.
So it's actually like you're watching Cirque du Soleil, burlesque, and Broadway.
Oh.
So I did theater also before. So I'm singing some of the songs that I sang sa theater.
Mhm.
So
Yeah, so
it's gonna be an exciting show.
everyone watch Artless Cherie
Yes.
at Music Museum on May 24, 8
8
p.m. Excited ako. Gusto kong makita to.
Yes,
Also,
please.
excited din akong turuan mo akong mag-pole.
Yes.
Pero hindi ako magtitibak, girl.
Pwede ka naman magtibak, pero may stocking sa loob.
Kasi
Para
gaganon
ano?
eh.
Hindi, iti-tape natin.
Tape natin.
Oh,
Sige,
iti-tape natin, Doc.
Ayan.
Don't worry.
Excited na akong matape. Catch our private convos on YouTube and Facebook Live. You can also check out the long conversation on Spotify and Google Podcasts. I am Dr. Rica Cruz, and this is Private Convos with Doc Rica. We are one news, all sides, all the time. That's your show. Thank you, Cherie.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.